Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy M53 and let me show the best display settings to change on this device. So first of all we'll go to the settings and here look for the display category. So the first cool setting we would highly recommend that you try changing is called motion smoothness, and it allows you to switch the screen refresh rate of your device. The values that you can choose from are high and standard. The high screen refresh rate value will get you 120 Hz as per the screen refresh rate, better motion smoothness and overall visual experience, while the 60 Hz of a screen refresh rate will not provide you with such smooth scrolling experience, but you'll get a longer battery life. The next setting that we would highly recommend on changing or trying to change is called Eye Comfort Shield. And once enabled, as you can see, it makes everything look warmer and by filtering out the blue light. So this is the setting we would highly recommend on enabling once you feel the immense eye fatigue or your eyes are like tired in general. So here we can, once setting the custom mode for the eye comfort shield, we can regulate the color temperature intensity or set the automated schedule for it to be automatically enabled or disabled once in or out of the time frames that we can set here. The next setting is called screen mode, and it allows you to regulate how the colors of your interface and overall like the colors will look like. We have two presets. We can either go with vivid or natural color display modes. Here we can regulate and adjust the white balance, or if we'll go to the advanced settings, we'll be able to manually regulate the red, green and blue color amounts that we will have. And by the way, at the top of this of the screen mode page, we'll see the very good pictures as for the previews for us to see how the colors that we have set will look like. Next setting we would highly recommend that you try enabling or that you try using is called edge panels, and once enabled, as you will see right now, it provides us with this slightly visible bar that once opens that gets us the quick access to the set apps that we have decided to display here. In order to regulate it, and configure, you gotta tap on these three lines that are located at the very bottom of the sidebar, go for edit, and here you'll be able to choose what apps you would like to remove or add. For example, I'll add the Call of Duty, get back and enable the sidebar, and here I'll see that the Call of Duty icon has been successfully added. And the final setting that we would highly recommend on trying to change is called navigation bar, and it allows you to switch between two navigation modes this smartphone has to offer: buttons, digital buttons that is set right now, that is active currently, or the swipe gestures. Once at the swipe gestures, in order to get back to the home screen, you gotta swiftly swipe upwards, swipe this bar upwards to be precise. In order to open up the recent app, you gotta tap and hold at this bar and slowly swipe upwards as well. And in order to get back to the previous page or get back in general, just swipe right. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!